Welcome to the Himalayas, the Annapurna's range. So today we're going to talk about how to save money in life. I'm going to explain you how I'll manage to save 300 euro a month while working in Paris, one of the most expensive cities in the world, and earning only 1,400 euro a month. Let's go. So my technique was simple. I was making $1,400 a month. My rent was $350 a month because I was sharing with another person. After this, I was spending 100 euro a week on food, grocery. So every Saturday I was going to Lidl and I was buying a lot of things, stealing a little bit of things like wine and saucisson because I didn't want it to pay 8 euro for a fucking saucisson. You know what I mean? Then from the Monday to the Friday, I was spending only 10 euro because I was getting 10 euro cash out from my bank account and I was spending nothing. Because I had all my grocery, I could cook my own food every night and go to my work and eating my food during lunchtime. I had my 10 euro because sometimes I wanted to buy a little croissant, a little pain au chocolat to forget that I was so poor and enjoy a little bit of this saving life. After this, every Friday, I was getting out 50 euro from my bank account to enjoy my weekend. 50 euro in Paris, it's not a lot, especially if you want to go out on the Friday and on the Saturday night. So my technique was that when my friend wanted to go to a fancy place, to a fancy restaurant, I was meeting them after because I couldn't pay 20 euro for a fucking rabbit with mustard for 20 euro, which was almost half of my budget for the whole weekend. So let me calculate. Equal 410 euro. So out of 1,400 euro of salary, I was spending actually less than 1,000 euro a month living in Paris. Let's be realistic. Out of those 400 euro, you really think I was saving them all? Of course not. I had random costs and stuff like this. I bought this amazing dress, dungaree salopette that I'm so happy to wear today for you. That was 40 euro, so imagine. So out of those 400 euro, I was actually putting on the side 300 euros. Make your calculation now. How much is your rent? How much is your grocery? Do you really need to go eat outside for every lunch and spend 10 euros? I give you one advice. The day you receive your paycheck, take the money you want to save out of your account, like straight away. And then if during the month you need this money because you need to buy something or you need to do something, okay, take it back from this saving account. But don't wait for the end of the month to save this money because you're never gonna do it. It's easy to save money when you have an objective. Your objective is to go to Nepal to see this view. Your dream is to go to Thailand to enjoy the most beautiful beach. Your dream is to go to Mexico to parties on the most beautiful beach, swim in the ocean. Okay, this is your objective. Let's say you have 1 year. Let's say now we are in January. If you start saving from this month, in November, you are there. You are in Mexico, you are in Nepal, you are in Thailand, you are anywhere. So once you have an objective, once you know how much you want to save, it's actually easy to save money. Another technique to save more money is make more money to save more money. Oh guys, you're distracting me! So for instance, if you are working from Monday to Friday, you can do some extra job on the Saturday like online teaching or photography or whatever, and all the money you make on your extra time, you can also save it. Imagine, let's say on the Saturday, you're doing some babysitting and you make $60. It's 2 days living in Southeast Asia or Latin America. So think about that. Think about all the little dollar you save there will offer you so many opportunities down here. Like a lot of trips, a lot of travel, going everywhere and travel the world longer. So keep this in mind. This is your dream. You want to move. So start saving now. Imagine you make another $100 a week. It's gonna make you $400 a month that you can save, plus the money you already save from your paycheck. Salut!
Hello! How are you?
If you save like me, 300 euro a month, in 11 months you have your $3,300. Imagine, we are in January. It means that 11 months from now, it's November. I'm telling you that if you do what I say, if you follow my tips, in the 1st of December, you are on a fucking plane to travel the world. So start doing it now. and you're going to travel for 3 months. You're going to visit so many countries. I mean, it's way easier than you think. It's just you need to have an objective. If your objective is to buy a TV, buy a new phone, or buy yourself a plane ticket, you just need to know what is your objective, and then you can start saving. So take a piece of paper, write down what is your objective, how much you can save, how much you want to save, and start saving from now. And really, everybody can do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Last Stories 2020. Please also follow me on Instagram, ame.ilema. I put stories every day because my dad is watching my stories every morning when he wakes up. So all I want to show them, I show to everyone, because why not? We don't give a fuck. Life is a dream. Live now. Bisous!